Me? Oh my god. Alright guys. So, we're going to the mountain. And yes, it's snowing. Ah. Lord, give me It's our first time, guys.
Well, when it drops, it's water.
Yeah, I told you.
So hello guys! It's snowing! Sinukat na. Nagkuhan magalit sila. Sa car lang na ha? I think this one? Oh yeah. Hawksnest. Snow. See?
What?
I think over there. One way. Ah! Bangon ako eh.
Have like 1 hour. Are we excited? So this is the place. Okay, it's a little bit rough. Na promise kalibangon kay ko. Kalibangon ko. So we are going to Tubing, and yes,
I have snow on my face.
she's so excited. So that's him. Nada ko na sila kung dito te. Pants. 40 lagi daw. Ngakuan ka ng waterproof. Is no gini siya? No. De. Aman kapag ko na din na kay video na unsa man ni siya. Hi guys. It's real snow.
Bundled up, so we're good. And we will be going that one later. Tubing. The two of us are really scared of heights, so good luck. Alright guys, we are in the line right now and it's snowing. So we're going to be, as you can see. Oh my god. So yes, that's where we're going. And it's not fake snow, guys. It's snowing up here. And see, look at that. The wind is not helping at all. So we are scheduled at noon time to 1 o'clock or 1:45. It's like almost 2 hours. But yeah.
Look at Angie. She's getting ready.
Guys,
In my
it's frozen.
look.
Today, as well as 3 magic carpets to bring you back up to the top. Rule number 1, do not start your snow tubing lane until your lane is clear and you have been instructed to go. We do have attendants working at the top of the slopes. They will call your lane number when it is your turn to go. And rule number 2, your feet are your brakes. It is your responsibility to stop yourself at the bottom of the slope by dragging your feet.
Thank you.
When you do reach the bottom of the slope, quickly clear out of your lane for the next tuber to come down. Please do not stand in front of the berm or the red bags at the bottom of the slope. If you are waiting for somebody else to come down, please wait for them in the walkway and do not stand at the end of your lane. And when you reach the magic carpet, please remain standing. Do not walk, sit, or lay down on the magic carpet. Just stand on it, and it'll bring you all the way back up to the top. And we do have one person per tube. However, adults are allowed to ride with young children on their laps. If a child is too small to drag their feet, they will be required to ride on the lap of an adult. And if you are taking a break at some point during today's session, or when you hear the bell ring at the end of the session, please return your tubes to the top of the slope right here next to the lodge. Please do not leave your tubes anywhere else in the park. And we do require everyone to wear a face mask or some sort of face covering while in the tube park. So if you can please make sure that you are wearing one of those, your fellow tubers will appreciate it. And lastly, if you can also make sure that your tubing tickets are attached to you and facing forwards for the attendant at the gate, you guys can come on in and grab a tube.
Alright guys, time to walk. For some reason, we are not really sliding all the way to the end because during the day it was raining, at the same time it's snowing, and they said it's wet. I don't know. Alright guys, hi. Yeah, it's snowing here, but
It's not really cold, but earlier in the night, my feet and my skin are now. Right now, it's
it's beautiful. It's snowing, and I have my glasses, and it's not working. It's not helping, but I have to see. Hi. Look now. How can I go? Enjoy siya no, na-stuck. So yeah, yeah. It's nice. You don't need to be scared. No, you won't. It's so nice. Go ahead. Then you will be stuck right there. I'm freezing. Saka. Pandar ko man karon. Grabe, around this time guys, grabe, lamig na kami. Yung parang, ang sakit na ng katawan. Yung hindi ka sana, yung galing ka sa Pinas, galing tapos nakatira ka sa Florida. Siyempre, walang snow sa Florida. Pero, we had fun. Really enjoyed the snow. I mean, this is my 3rd time. So, yung snow tubing namin supposed to be 2 hours. Pero, mga 1 hour lang kami dun kasi hindi na kaya. Kasi nga, yung pants na sinuot namin, hindi waterproof. So, basang-basa kami. Kahit yung pick namin, basang-basa. Joke. Yung mukha ko, grabe, pulang-pula, nasakit na sakit. I can't imagine yung mga sisi natin dyan na may mga snow. Oh my God. Di ko kaya guys. I'm glad na nakatira ko sa Florida.